Oh.
You gotta look.
Oh. Don't look at me.
I can hear you breathing over there.
Because I was laughing.
More? What? Daddy? Listen. Daddy can play. Daddy can play? Oh. He's a bird. He's a crazy guy. Hello? Hello?
That was a reaction.
I'm going to turn it off there. I've slowly turned it up a little bit. Come
Yeah.
back on.
What are these? Those ones? What's these
On.
ones? What's these ones?
Are we picking up room noise now?
Yeah.
Caden.
Whoa.
Oh, loud noise.
Oh!
Yes. Yay. Do you hear that? Do you want me to do it? Bang, 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 bang. You want those ones? These ones. No, she's gonna do it. Mary's gonna do it.
That's too many to hold.
You gotta juggle.
Oh.
Okay,
You
you
gotta
gonna
be
do it?
careful not to get your fingers.
What? Are you gonna do it?
You listening? You listening?
Does Daddy make noise?
I turned it off and I'm going to come back on here.
A little bit higher.
A little bit higher. I'm going to put it on. Oh, yeah.
Yay!
Oh.
You can hear us!
Oh my goodness. Hi.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh. You're going.
He's trying to come to me. Scoot over.
Noisemakers.
Can you hear us now?
You hear that?
What is that? Stop.
Caden. Hi. Caden. Oh, hi, Uncle.
Rick?
Caden.
Camera.
Turn it off again. He seems comfortable, which is good.
Yay!
Yay! I can hear finally.
Yay!
And back on.
Caden.
Yay!
Is he doing cheese ball smiles?
Yeah, she's making it happen. Can you hear it?
Do a kiss me, please.
Zoning.
I guess so many noises going at once.
Caden. Oh, it's on.
Whoa. Yay!
Can you hear yourself? I can hear myself. You're funny. CPR. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm trying to get. Really? Really? This is so much fun.
You're so tired.
Oh, he's exhausted. Hey, sit up here real quick. Oh, no, no, don't spin that way. Don't spin that way.
Uh-oh.
The video. Hey, stop for a second. Calm down. So busy over there clicking.
It just started. A cord. A cord.
I'm gonna bang right
Oh, yeah.
here.
Whoa.
That might be a little too much, huh? Did you see his eye blink
Yeah.
there?
Will you do it one more time?
Whoa.
Sorry.
That's loud.
It's loud. It's really quiet now.
Hear it?
I'm gonna come back down.
Kind of one of those shock noises.
And that is often what we see is the
You want to do it?
Hearing a gunshot or a firework type reaction.
Yay! Wow.
gently, huh?
Yay!
Yay!
So good. We saw some very good, distinct. I mean, for a first day, having him look up in response to the sounds, and he's tolerating this very well. The eye blinks are an indicator to me that we're getting into a range that is going to be too much to start with. So I brought it back